Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the watch down and removing the band so you can access the case edge securely. Once done, work on a soft, static-free mat and position parts in order. This prevents losing screws. Use a pentalobe to remove the case screws and a thin 0.5 mm pry tool to lift the screen gently. Apply steady, even pressure so you do not crack the display or pull ribbon cables. That's why patience matters here. You now lift the display just enough to access the ribbon connectors and visually confirm their orientation. First, disconnect the battery connector to avoid shorts, then release the display ribbons using a spudger. This prevents electrostatic damage. Once cables are free, remove the old screen and align the new screen's connectors carefully. Press until each connector clicks. Make sure adhesive seating is even so the touch digitizer contacts uniformly, and you don't introduce pressure points. After seating the display and securing ribbons, reconnect the battery last and replace screws in a cross pattern so pressure is even. Power the watch on to test touch response, display brightness, heart rate sensor, and charging. Immediate checks catch issues before final sealing. If something fails, power down, reseat any loose connectors, inspect adhesive for gaps, and try a soft reset. This often resolves detection problems. Finally, press the glass.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.